out! Did I scare you? Did I scare you?
Hello?
Please tell me the car seat's not in your Jeep.
Oh shit. Yes it is.
Well, you did that on purpose, didn't you? So we'd have to come by your work and say bye.
You know how I had to run out this morning?
Is that out of the way, or?
No, it's not that far of the way.
Alright.
Just leave a little bit earlier.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Everything's right here, so we can just start taking that out.
Just start taking it?
Yeah, go. Everything except the backpack, because I'll do that myself, because I'm still putting chargers and stuff in it. I was letting everything charge before. Yeah. And then the booster seat's out in the garage. Lucy, whoa. Zach just spent $88 on gas. How long does that last you? Like a week?
Yeah, a little over a week. If I have class, it'll last me 1 week.
Okay.
Can you roll this window?
But this will last me a while.
Okay.
About 600 miles.
Alright, that's pretty far. Who's that? Go do that over there so we can get the car seat in. Is this still open? Or can you take this in then? Yeah. Alright, Trina. Alright, bye. See, it's a little tight.
My airplane. It gets on airplane.
I know, those are Alaska airplanes. You happy?
Airplane.
You want
Up in the
to?
sky.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. There he goes.
Those airplanes.
You see some more? I know there's airplanes for days. At least the traffic's not too bad going into departures and stuff.
We're not there yet.
I know, but it can get like really bad, like backed up, like even back there. So this is like nothing. All right. Well, thank you. You can probably go now.
In all?
No, all of them except for this one.
Okay.
So I got 4 check bags and a car seat. He's distracted by the fact he's gonna go on an airplane. Thank you.
Give me
Why are you so sad? So you want this one too? No more crying. We have to wait.
No.
It's the little one. It's really loud. Well, that one's leaving. Bye-bye, airplane. Where's it going? Here we go. Oh my gosh. See the wings? We got a pretty nice view of the wings, huh? What do you think? Are you so excited? You're on an airplane. You're on a big airplane with big engines. Ready for takeoff. Are you going to the sky? See, we're gonna go in the clouds. You so happy? What do you see? You see an excavator out there? Some big excavators. You so excited? It sure is difficult getting you to have your seatbelt on though, isn't it? You don't like seatbelts. Here we go, ready for takeoff. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go to the sky. There's another airplane landed at the same time. That one's coming in for landing and we're taking off. good cookies. These are really good. And dip it in the juice. Some extra flavor.
Airplanes are coming. Airplanes on
We're coming in for landing.
Come down the lane.
Yep, pull out the landing gear.
Come down the landing gear.
Slow down the plane. There's Colorado Springs.
Yeah. Look at this cloud.
Getting really close. There's a bunch of lightning going on over there.
A river.
Oh, we're going over the lake.
The river.
A river.
The lake.
Oh, we're sitting next to each other now. Oh, here we go. We're gonna land.
Daddy, where are you?
What? Where's Daddy at?
Daddy going on the airplane.
Yeah, we're gonna go see him.
Daddy going on the airplane.
He's gonna help us with our suitcases.
The suitcases.
That's right.
The suitcases.
What are you doing? Is that interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, we're going down. Which one you want to get on? This one? Okay. Whoa, that was pretty tricky. Okay, so should we just start rolling it out?
Hey, so
What?
when we get to the house,
What, did it burn down?
no. When we get to the house, like I'm gonna buy like some pizza. So you have some pizza?
Okay, and then you're gonna peace out and go.
No, cause like
Why?
so I like stopped, just crashing my buddy's place and we just went hiking today.
Yeah.
And I left my wallet,
Oh no.
so I gotta drive all the way back out.
Wait, where does he live?
It's up by Vale.
Oh crap. Can he mail it to you express?
No, man. No, cause I need my wallet, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Can I
literally-
come?
No, you can't come, Kylie.
Dang it.
So like,
How do you forget that? You never forget your wallet.
all right, this is funny. Check it
Oh
out.
my gosh.
This is like karma, like.
He's excited to get to see you.
So like freaking I have my wallet and I have it in my pocket, right? And I'm wearing these pants, Cause I literally we did the hike and I just came straight here.
And then you
So
took him out.
he was like, bro, like why you carrying all that crap? And I just like throw it in the car. And I was
Yeah.
like, all right. So I just like threw it in the car, right? So when I got back, like I was like getting my car and I was like, I don't have my key. I was like, bro, like my key's in the car, man. So he just grabs the key and throws me the key. And I just jump in because I was rushing. I was just jump in and like take off. And I get all the way back to the house
Here.
and I was like,
I wish you would have needed gas or something.
oh my god.
I know, we got presents all over the place. We got this one and we got this box. There's something on the counter, something over by the door.
A box.
We get so many presents to open. Let's get some scissors. All right. Yeah, he's excited about that. You got pizza. God, everything is the same. You haven't even it's all the same dishes from when we cooked that meal for those people.
Yeah, cause every dish I wash.
Yeah.
The utensils right there, Kylie?
That's from
Cups over
them.
there? It's called
Yeah.
hand washing.
I know, you
I don't
haven't,
use the dishwasher.
there's still water left in it. It smells like this is rotting.
Well, I
Pizza.
haven't used it. I haven't even opened it.
It's funny.
Look at the bunny.
I know, Trey's so happy.
Look at that pizza.
Oh, and this is the best part.
This one.
Smells so good. So yummy. All right, let me get a plate for you.
Look at that. Put a plate of food in.
Mm-hmm.
Pizza.
There's a pretty crazy storm going on right now. There's lightning everywhere. You probably see some of it. Looks better when the lights are out, but yeah, Steven said there's a tornado warning too. It's possible because of how the weather's going right now. Okay, you want to go look at the lightning some more?
No.
No, is it so scary? It looks really cool from up in my room. Up in my room and the guest room, you can see it really good. Let's see if I can get a glimpse of it. This is that's my neighbor's house right there. Where'd it go? Oh, ooh, that was a good one.